Have you ever stood in line at a bank in an English-speaking country, feeling nervous because you didn't know what to say? I remember when I first moved abroad, I needed to open a bank account, but couldn't explain what I needed. The banker kept asking me questions, and I just kept nodding and smiling. In the end, I left with the wrong type of account and paid fees for months.
Oh, John, that sounds so stressful. I had a similar experience when I tried to withdraw money in London. I didn't know how to ask if they accepted my card, and when they asked for my PIN, I thought they wanted my pen. I was so confused.
Banking vocabulary is like a key that unlocks financial confidence in a new country. Without these keys, you might feel locked out of simple tasks like opening an account or checking your balance.
That's such a good way to put it, John. Think of each banking phrase you learn as another key on your keychain. Soon, you'll have a full set that opens any banking door you encounter.
Learning these banking phrases will help you handle everyday financial tasks with confidence. You'll be able to open accounts, deposit and withdraw money, ask about fees, and solve problems like lost cards.
Exactly. These skills are essential for daily life in any English-speaking country. Whether you're traveling, studying, or living abroad, you'll need to visit the bank regularly.
Host introductions. Hi everyone, I'm John and I'm here with my co-host Amy. I remember when I first moved to the United States, I was so afraid to go to the bank. I would ask my friends to come with me just to help translate.
Hello, listeners. I'm Amy. When I studied in Australia, I made so many mistakes at the bank because I didn't know the right words. Once, I tried to borrow money when I meant to withdraw it. The bank teller looked so confused.
Today, we're going to teach you 85 English phrases for visiting the bank. These are practical, easy-to-use phrases that will make your banking experiences much smoother.
Before we start, if you find this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Fluent Hub English. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
John, let's begin with our first role play. In this scene, Amy will play a customer who wants to open a new bank account, and I'll be the bank teller helping her. Scene 1. Opening a new bank account. Good morning. Welcome to Citibank. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to open a new bank account.
Certainly. What type of account are you interested in? A savings account or a checking account?
I'm not sure. What's the difference?
A checking account is for everyday use, like paying bills and making purchases. A savings account is for saving money and earning interest.
I think I need both. I just moved here from another country.
I see. Do you have any identification with you?
Yes, I have my passport and a utility bill with my address.
Perfect. We'll need those to verify your identity and address. Would you like to apply for a debit card as well?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Great. Let me get some information from you. What's your full name?
My name is Amy Johnson.
And what's your address here in the city?
I live at 45 Park Avenue, apartment 2B.
Thank you. Do you have a phone number we can reach you at?
Yes, my number is 555-1234.
And your email address?
It's amy.johnson@email.com.
Thank you. Now, we'll need to make an initial deposit. How much would you like to deposit today?
I'd like to deposit $500.
Very good. Here is your account number and some information about your new accounts. Your debit card will arrive in 7 to 10 business days.
Thank you for your help. Is there anything else I need to do?
Nope, that's everything for today. You're all set. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. John, let's look at some important phrases from this conversation. First, I would like to open a new bank account. This is a polite way to say you want to start a new account at the bank.
Amy. Next, what type of account are you interested in? The bank teller is asking if you want a savings account for saving money or a checking account for daily use.
John, another useful phrase is, do you have any identification with you? Banks need to see proof of who you are, like a passport or a driver's license.
Amy, we'll need those to verify your identity and address. Means the bank needs to confirm that you are who you say you are and that you live where you say you live.
And finally, initial deposit means the first amount of money you put into a new account. Now, let's practice some of these phrases. Repeat after me. I would like to open a new bank account. What's the difference between a savings and checking account? Do you have any identification with you? I have my passport and a utility bill. I'd like to apply for a debit card. How much would you like to deposit today? I'd like to deposit $500. Thank you for your help.
Great job! Now try to use these phrases in your own sentences. Imagine you're at a bank opening a new account. What would you say?
Scene 2. Withdrawing money and asking about exchange rates. For our second role play, Amy will be a customer who wants to withdraw money and ask about currency exchange, and I'll be the bank teller.
Good afternoon. I'd like to withdraw some money from my account.
Good afternoon. How much would you like to withdraw?
I'd like to withdraw $200, please.
Certainly. Would you like that in large or small bills?
Could I have some of each? Maybe two $50 bills, five $20 bills, and the rest in smaller bills.
Of course. May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here's my driver's license.
Thank you. Here's your cash and your ID. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, actually. I'm traveling to Europe next week. Do you exchange currency here?
Yes, we do. What currency are you looking to exchange?
I need to exchange US dollars for euros. What's the current exchange rate?
Today's rate is $1 to 0.85 euros. How much would you like to exchange?
I'd like to exchange $500, please. Are there any fees for this service?
Yes, there's a small fee of $5 for currency exchange under $1,000.
That's fine. I'd like to proceed with the exchange.
Certainly. Please sign this form. Here is your 425 euros. Please keep your receipt.
Thank you. Is there a limit on how much I can withdraw from ATMs abroad?
Your daily withdrawal limit is $500, but you can call customer service to increase it temporarily for your trip.
That's good to know. Thank you for all your help today.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful trip to Europe.
Let's look at some key phrases from this conversation. First, I'd like to withdraw some money from my account. This is how you ask to take money out of your bank account.
Next, would you like that in large or small bills? The bank teller is asking if you want bigger bills, like 50 or 100, or smaller ones, like $5, $10, or $20.
Another useful phrase is, do you exchange currency here? This is how you ask if the bank can change money from one country's currency to another.
What's the current exchange rate? Means you want to know how much of one currency you can get for another. For example, how many euros you can get for $1.
And finally, is there a limit on how much I can withdraw from ATMs abroad? This question asks about the maximum amount of money you can take out from ATMs in other countries.
Great. Now let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. I'd like to withdraw some money. How much would you like to withdraw? Would you like that in large or small bills? Do you exchange currency here? What's the current exchange rate? Are there any fees for this service? Is there a limit on how much I can withdraw? Please keep your receipt. Excellent. Now imagine you're planning a trip and need to exchange money. How would you ask about exchange rates and fees at the bank? Scene 3. Reporting a lost or stolen card. For our third role play, Amy will play a customer who lost her debit card, and I'll be a bank representative helping her.
Hello, I need to report a lost debit card. I think it was stolen.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Don't worry, we'll help you right away. May I have your name and account number, please?
My name is Amy Johnson, and my account number is 12345678.
Thank you, Amy. When did you last use your card?
I used it yesterday at a grocery store. I noticed it was missing this morning.
Have you checked all your pockets and bags to make sure it's not just misplaced?
Yes, I've looked everywhere. I'm sure it's gone.
I understand. For your security, we'll block your card immediately so no one else can use it.
Thank you. I was worried someone might use it to buy things.
We'll also check if there have been any unauthorized transactions since you last used it. Have you noticed any strange purchases on your account?
Not yet, but I haven't checked my account online today.
That's okay. We can review that together. Would you like to order a replacement card?
Yes, please. How long will it take to get a new one?
Your new card will arrive in 5 to 7 business days. In the meantime, would you like us to issue you a temporary card you can use at the branch?
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
Of course. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes. Should I file a police report about the stolen card?
That's a good idea. We recommend filing a police report as it can help protect you from liability for any fraudulent charges.
Okay, I'll do that right away. Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome, Amy. We've blocked your card, ordered a replacement, and will prepare a temporary card for you to use today. Is there anything else?
No, that's everything. Thank you again for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day and be sure to keep your new card in a safe place.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. Amy, let's examine some important phrases from this conversation. First, I need to report a lost debit card. This is how you tell the bank that your card is missing.
John, next, for your security, we'll block your card immediately. This means the bank will stop anyone from using your card to protect your money.
Amy, another useful phrase is unauthorized transactions. This means purchases or withdrawals that someone else made without your permission.
John, would you like to order a replacement card? The bank representative is asking if you want a new card to replace the one that was lost or stolen.
And finally, file a police report means to make an official statement to the police about something that happened, like a stolen card.
Guided practice. Now let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. I need to report a lost debit card. When did you last use your card? We'll block your card immediately. Have you noticed any strange purchases? Would you like to order a replacement card? How long will it take to get a new one? Should I file a police report? Thank you for your help. Great job. Now imagine you've lost your credit card. How would you report it to the bank? Try to create your own short conversation. Scene 4. Applying for a loan or asking about banking services. For our final role play, Amy will play a customer interested in getting a loan, and I'll be a bank representative.
Good morning. I'm interested in applying for a loan. Can you tell me about your options?
Good morning. I'd be happy to help. What type of loan are you looking for? A personal loan, car loan, or home loan?
I'm not sure. I need to borrow $10,000 to pay for some home repairs.
I see. A personal loan would be best for that purpose. Our current interest rate for personal loans is 5.9% APR.
What does APR mean?
APR stands for annual percentage rate. It's the interest you'll pay on the loan over 1 year, including any fees.
I see. And how long would I have to pay back the loan?
Our personal loans have terms from 12 to 60 months. You can choose the payment period that works best for your budget.
What documents do I need to apply for the loan?
You'll need to provide proof of income, such as pay stubs or tax returns, and a valid form of identification.
How long does the approval process take?
If you submit all the required documents, we can usually give you a decision within 2 business days.
That's good to know. I'm also interested in learning about your online banking services.
Of course. Our online banking allows you to check balances, transfer money between accounts, pay bills, and deposit checks using your phone.
Is there a fee for using online banking?
No, our online banking service is free for all customers. We also have a mobile app that you can download for free.
That sounds convenient. Can I set up automatic payments for my bills through online banking?
Yes, you can set up automatic payments for utilities, credit cards, and other bills. It's a great way to avoid late fees.
I'd like to apply for the loan and sign up for online banking today. What's the next step?
Let me get you an application form, and I'll help you get started with both services.
Thank you for all this information. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help you with your banking needs. Let's look at some key phrases from this conversation. First, I'm interested in applying for a loan. This is how you express that you want to borrow money from the bank.
Next, what type of loan are you looking for? The bank representative is asking what you need the money for, which helps determine the best loan option.
Another useful phrase is interest rate. This is the percentage of the loan amount that the bank charges you for borrowing the money.
APR stands for annual percentage rate. This is the full cost of borrowing money for 1 year, including interest and fees.
And finally, set up automatic payments means to arrange for money to be taken from your account automatically to pay bills on specific dates.
Now, let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. I'm interested in applying for a loan. What type of loan are you looking for? What is the current interest rate? How long do I have to pay back the loan? What documents do I need to apply? I'm interested in online banking. Can I set up automatic payments? Thank you for your help.
Excellent! Now imagine you want to apply for a loan or learn about online banking. How would you ask about these services at the bank? Let's quickly review what we've learned so far. We've covered 85 English phrases for visiting the bank in 4 different situations. First, we practiced opening a new bank account. We learned how to ask about different types of accounts, provide identification, and make an initial deposit.
Then we looked at withdrawing money and asking about exchange rates. We learned how to request specific bill denominations and exchange currency for international travel.
Next, we role-played reporting a lost or stolen card. We practiced explaining the situation, blocking the card, and ordering a replacement. Finally, we discussed applying for a loan and asking about banking services. We learned about different types of loans, interest rates, and online banking features.
All these phrases will help you feel more confident when visiting a bank in an English-speaking country. Remember to practice them regularly.
Listener challenge. Now it's your turn. We have a challenge for you. In the comments below, write one sentence you would use at a bank. It could be about opening an account, withdrawing money, or asking about services.
We'll read as many comments as we can and give you feedback on your English. This is a great way to practice what you've learned today.
Finally, recap and outro. To wrap up, remember that banking in English doesn't have to be intimidating. With the right phrases and some practice, you can handle any banking situation with confidence.
We've covered 85 English phrases that will help you open accounts, withdraw money, report lost cards, apply for loans, and use banking services. Use them, practice them, and make them your own.
Thank you for joining us on Fluent Hub English today. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content.
Join us next time when we'll be talking about English phrases for shopping at the supermarket. Until then, keep practicing and stay confident.
Goodbye!